Hey everyone, it's Brett from Duluth Pack here to talk to you today about these awesome travel kit bags. As you can see, there are two different sizes. There is a small size and a medium size, but they're both smaller, perfect kit bags intended for being a toiletry bag or small storage, but there are many different uses. These are super versatile. They're a great, simple design, as you can see. In fact, these are almost minimalist in style. There are very few seams, and it just looks great, very different from a lot of our other Duluth Pack designs. One of the most unique things about this bag, and probably my favorite parts of this entire design, is that our logo is actually embossed in here. So you can see that it's kind of indented. It's not a patch sewn onto the outside, which I think makes these look even more simple. They look unique for a Duluth Pack. They're super cool. On the outside of the bag, the rest of it's pretty simple as well. There's this little loop strap so you can secure these to the outside of other bags. There's another loop in this direction so that you can carry the bag super easily. You can hang them, keep them separate from other bags and stored nicely. Just general ease of use additions to this bag, but not overcomplicating it, which fits that simple theme. The inside is just a simple pouch. It's great for storing things. It looks great. It's going to look even better as it ages because our leather patina is super cool. They're both our regular smooth leather. So as you can see, they're nice and smooth. They look great. This is our brown color. They also come in black. And they are excellent for multiple different uses. Like I said, they're a great toiletry size. This one is a little bit longer than a toothbrush, so you can keep toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, some deodorant in here, and not take up a whole lot of space in your bag. It's super easy to pack inside a Duluth Pack backpack, a duffel, anything that you're going with on a trip, you can slide this in and take with you easily. The medium size is a little bit bigger, so you can fit some more things in here. But it's not big enough where it's going to take up a huge amount of space. So if you're really tight on space, the small is a great size. But if you've got a little bit more to go with, you might as well upgrade to the medium and take with you more stuff. If you don't fill it up completely, you can collapse it. It'll compress nicely and can go inside of any bag that you're carrying with you. So as always, our products are proudly made in the USA. They feature a lifetime guarantee on craftsmanship and hardware. So thanks for tuning in about our travel kit bags, and I can't wait to share something else with you next time.